To begin with this hack, you will need your mobile. In my case, I am having an Android phone. This is from Nokia 6. You will require a charging cable. Mine one is micro USB. You can use if you have USB Type C. And now let me connect this cable. The other end of the cable must be connected to your laptop. So let me connect this. And once you have made the connections, your phone should be on and it should be charging. You can see using USB to transfer files. Click on OK. Yeah, my laptop's making these noises, but it's fine. Your laptop will do the same. Android system says, yeah, tap here to set up the USB. You can see USB tethering up here. We need this thing. Yeah. After that, you should come back. Now you can see tethering. You should tap it. And now you can see USB tethering. Share phone's internet connection via USB. This is the setup which you should enable. I have enabled it. And now your laptop should be connected. Let me show you my laptop. So right now you can see that my laptop is connected to some Ethernet. Actually it's not connected to any Ethernet. You can see there is no Ethernet cable up here. But it's connected to this network 2. This network 2 is nothing but my phone. My phone is connected to Wi-Fi. You can see that. And that is this network 2. Actually this kind of setup helps a lot in case you are using hotspot for your video calls or anything, because in wireless transmission we lose a lot of network.